Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and you keep getting this error, fatal D3D error, access denied, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Pragmata easily. I'll show you 2 to 3 solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to go ahead and open up the Pragmata game folder. So you're going to go to your C drive. This is going to be the default location of the game from File86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, and then Pragmata here. Right click on the Pragmata.exe, click Properties, go into Compatibility, and then click Run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply. Okay. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your games platform. So Steam for me. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your library. You're going to right click on Pragmata, go into Properties, go into Install Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files on Pragmata. Once you do that, it will verify the game's files. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and close out Steam from your computer. And now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up Steam, but make sure to run it as administrator. So right click on Steam, click Run as admin, and then run Steam like this. Once you're into Steam, now you can go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not face that access denied error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.